lot of people, their parents worked here or had relatives work here.
They asked around, hey, is there any physical labor jobs?
I went to trade school. They weren't hiring electricians, and I ended up on the floor as a machinist.
So why don't you come in and see what we do? I went into sales and I never left.
When I was a boat tech, I went for electrical. It helped out, like, your amperages and voltage.
But look around you. You go to the doctor's office. My dedication impacted that needle going into my arm.
It's just interesting to know the process behind where everything you see every day comes from. The crankshafts in your cars come from this type of process.
Steel doesn't come out of the earth. We have to make it. It's a chemical. It's basically like a really big chemistry set. So that's what forging is. And making it stronger, harder, different shapes. I mean, you can't just order a bridge.
Safety is a big thing. You have to worry about fires, suspended load. It's a lot more dangerous. It's also a lot more exciting.
If we can't do our work safe, then it's not worth doing the work at all.
Go to school, get an education.
The trades are amazing.
It's the best job I've ever had. I think most people in Elwood City know that it's been here for over 100 years, and that it's family run and that kind of thing. But it pays well.
I like being able to move around and get to use mobile equipment. I mean, I get to use big machinery, and it's exciting. It's a lot more fun. And it's nice to say at the end of the day you have a finished product, like I made this.
I think that anybody coming, like any kids coming out of school, it's a good place to start. I mean, you learn so many different things, and there's like everybody kind of starts out here, and then they gravitate to different jobs. Same thing with the salespeople. Some of the guys that go up there also started out here.
It's a pretty good place to work, and it's pretty easy to move up.
Don't ever sell this industry off as it's not worth it, like it's not an opportunity. Come see what we do. It may be for you. It may not. You like playing video games? It's a really cool video game in here. It's nothing but buttons.